We are in front of an interesting camper Froster A699 DVB, and it's an actual alternative for similar variants with an actual pretty reasonable price for this model at the Stuttgart CMT 68,000 euros. Actually, it's pretty comfortable and we shall be entering inside once we make and actually check the additional bed that you can make using the actual garage compartment. Actually, this bed can sleep maybe two kids or an adult. It could be actually be suitable for two adults. And checking from this side, we are also entering inside to check the actual specs of this Froster A1699 DVB. We will be entering inside to check the spaciousness and roomy of this large camper. So we have a big, large kitchen with double cookware, sink, and actually a large cabinet with two openings. We have a lot of cabinets on the down part with slide outs, and also the cabinets from this side. Additional cabinets are just right down here. And if we go to the back, we have a tower style 139 fridge and this double bunk bed on the back. And we shall be actually measuring this bed because it could be actually suitable for two people. Maybe from this side is slightly less wide, but we have this 2 meter and 20 centimeters long, and the actual size of the down bed too. So pretty much a lot of space. And then we have the actual bathroom with the tap for cassette toilet, sink, and separate shower. Nice finishes indeed. We have a mirror, and going down, entering the actual spaciousness of this 6-person camper. And actually the seats are pretty comfortable with this wide table. On this part we have 3 major cupboards for all the belongings and a big alcove bed that's stretching a lot. We are trying to actually measure that. We're getting an 1.6 meter off. And actually I can't stretch my hands, but this will be around 2 meter 20, so a really large bed. And then from this side we have another big large compartment and another down there. And this is the standard Citroën Fiat Ducato chassis. And exiting out, we will be getting out and checking again this part here. And this is the Froster A699 DVB, and really great cheap camper.